My name is Nicole Guzman. I'm here to present to you one of my favorite recipes that I usually make. It's something sweet for those of you who like that sweet touch. These are cocoa cornbread muffins. I'm going to tell you the ingredients that this recipe has. It has 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1.5 cups of yellow cornbread flour, 1.5 cups of coconut milk, yes, very tasty, 6 to 8 tablespoons of honey, half a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 stick of melted butter, 1 egg, and just a little bit of salt. This is optional also. It has no sugar, so it is a very healthy treat. Well, if we're talking about preparation, it's gonna take a while for us to make it, but I will give you the steps briefly. First, you should take all the measured dry ingredients into a bowl. That includes the whole wheat flour, the yellow cornbread flour, that includes the baking powder also, and the little bit of salt that is up to you. These you will mix them all together after pouring them into a bowl and set aside that dry batter. Step number 2, you are going to preheat your oven so that when you get those bad boys in there, they are great. Number 3, you're going to take that 1 egg and beat it. Step number 4, you are going to pour the coconut milk, the beaten egg, and the melted butter in a separate bowl, and you're gonna mix them all together until they have a very good consistency. Step number 5, you're going to pour the liquid mix into the dry mix until it is smooth. You're going to mix until it is smooth. You have a smooth batter. After that, you're going to add the 8 tablespoons of honey to the batter and mix until the ingredients are all dissolved. Then, step number 6, you are going to pour the batter in the cupcake mold. And then you will put in the oven and take a timer, 15 minutes. Not less, not more. Don't want to get those muffins burned. Finally, after those 15 minutes, you are going to take out the muffins, let them cool down for about 10 to 12 minutes, and voila! Enjoy your sweet little dish.